Do Sundowns really need this guy? Like, honestly, I understand he's a striker, but is he being bought for backup? Do you really need this guy? The league is already wrapped up. The season is basically done. I don't understand. Is he necessary? I think he's a top quality striker, actually. I think he's top quality. So I'm worried because I think if he goes to like a Chiefs, he starts. If he goes to a Chiefs, I think he starts. So do Sundowns really need this guy? Like, is he also gonna job share? Is he okay with job sharing? Is it a contract situation? Maybe because he's coming from earning in euros. You know, who's gonna match that? Maybe Sundowns. But honestly, was this necessary? Another signing. Oh,